Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. So I'm doing an artist critique with the talented Sharmin of Milky Way design. And here are some of her beautiful paintings. She does sort of like this bloom technique on different split base colors and then adds all this really pretty intricate design. So what we're doing is she's going to talk over this video and kind of critique what I'm doing with her technique. And we're going to do this vice versa as well. So when you're done here, please go over and I'm going to critique her pearl painting on her channel. So we thought this would be fun and kind of a good method to help teach. And yeah, I did the white and then a violet pillow, and I will let her talk through and kind of describe what maybe she would have done differently. And hopefully it's a learning experience for everybody involved. All right, you guys, take great care. Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. First of all, I like to thank Sarah for doing this collaboration with me. She is such a talented artist. I wanted to see how does she do modified blooms, because on her paintings she does use skewers or sticks to enhance her paintings, and they look so beautiful. I just wanted to see how does she do her modified blooms. So the first of all, the base coat that she is using for her split base, the white and the violet, they are so beautiful and they work really well with each other. So I am really enjoying that. As she layering her paints, one thing I always pay attention to, I guess subconsciously I do that, and when I saw that she is also layering her paint, one thing I just want to explain what I do is I try to make sure that the lighter color that I put on my canvas would be going towards the darker base, and the darker colors I layer towards my white base. So when I blow them, the contrasts are more prominent, if you know what I mean. I am really excited to see how this turns out, because I'm always afraid to use more than 5 colors in a bloom. I'm always scared that it's going to be muddy or something. But as Sarah is layering her paint, I can see that she went for a lot of different shades of colors, or not shades, like totally different colors. And I'm really excited to see how it turns out. This is very interesting. As she is blowing, she is adding a tiny bit of cell activator here and there so she can get more cells, and which is really clever. And honestly, I'm learning this from her right now. And now she is using white cell activator, which is really cool. And this is what I love about Sarah's work. She's not afraid to try new things. It's like what she wants, she just goes for it. And I am sure we are going to see something beautiful here. One thing I am really keen about when I do my modification is I try to drag one color to the different color section using my skewers, so the details are more prominent, or contrasts will highlight the little details that I am trying to achieve. gosh, I love this piece. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Sarah, again for doing this with me, and I really enjoyed this video. I hope our viewers also will enjoy it as much as I did.